but resumes right now, what I'm noticing is some people they're not specific enough, right? A lot of the bullet points that are on there are just listing your job duties, right? When you just simply list your job duties, you're not giving the impact of the work you did, right? What I mean by that is if you just simply put answer customers' phone call, handle customer complaints, those are just basically you're listing your job duties, but you're not listing your impact, right? So when I say impact, you didn't just handle customer complaints. You resolved customer complaints within a 2-hour window and increased customer satisfaction to 100% within a 6-month time frame, right? You want to say, what did you accomplish in doing that job, right? Or that task at that company. So when you reference and do your bullet points like that, that's where you get impact. That's where you start getting your metrics, where you're including percentages, you're including dollar signs, you're including timelines in terms of months or days, or how long did it take you to do it? You didn't just lead a project, right? How many people were you leading? You didn't just work with other departments. You cross-collaborated with other departments to increase efficiency. I want you to think about that and think about your bullet points to be more effective and not just something or you're just listing off things that you did, like in terms of job duties. So if you need help or assistance on having somebody craft you a resume from scratch to make sure that it is effective and that can get a hiring manager's attention, then click the link in my bio.